Really healthy though. It's gonna be really high protein, so it's a healthier version. It's still gonna taste really, really good. Even my girlfriend who's used to eating traditional Mexican food still likes it.
Remember when they was laughing at me, now I'm getting rich. Now I'm fucking any bitch, I want my life, I'm living it. I'm different. I said fuck a college, I'm on different shit. In this life, no limits, mama told me, boy, you limitless. And mom, yeah, thank you so much. Show me real love, you ain't leave me all alone.
Alright, what is up guys? Back from another video. So it's around like 10 o'clock right now. I just got off my my gym job. Today is Thursday, so I do work 2 jobs a day. I just got off this, gonna chill a little bit and have to go to work eventually at 6 o'clock. But for today's video, I'm gonna cook you a nice low calorie, tasty meal that has a pretty good amount of protein in it. I showed a little sneak peek of it a couple videos ago. I like tested it out. I like testing out all my meals before I make a video and make sure they taste good. But today we are making healthy, high protein chilaquiles. Super fire. If you don't know what chilaquiles is, it's basically like, it's kind of like breakfast nachos, kind of. It's like chips and marinated in salsa with eggs and shit. It's basically kind of similar to like breakfast nachos, kind of. That's kind of what it is. If you don't know what it is, it's different, but for people that don't know what it is, it's basically kind of what it is. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys that. Show you guys that in a little bit. My girlfriend's about to come over. We're going to get some Starbucks today. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, got my Starbucks. Here's the order right here. It's kind of hard to see. But what I got was a venti cold brew with 3 pumps of mocha, 3 pumps of white chocolate mocha, and, or actually no, 2 pumps of mocha, 2 pumps of white chocolate mocha, and 2 pumps of peppermint syrup. It's really, really good. And then I got just some sweet cream on, or just some cold foam on top, vanilla cold foam, and then some like chocolate topping on it. So it's really, really good. It doesn't even taste like coffee, dude. Even though I like coffee, but literally just tastes like a peppermint, like chocolate drink. So that's what I got. Me and my girlfriend about to watch some TV real quick, and then I'll hop into the meal. Alright guys, me and my girlfriend drank the Starbucks. We watched Narcos. We watched the new season of Narcos currently. We took a nap for like an hour, so my girlfriend's still sleeping. So I'll record what I can by myself because I don't want to wake her up. If she comes down, I'll have her record me too. I'll also show you guys all the steps on how to make the chilaquiles. Let's hop into it. Alright guys, I'll show you all the ingredients for how to make it. Pretty simple. It's kind of similar to the healthy nachos I recorded this video on. It's actually the very first YouTube channel I ever posted. It was like almost a year ago. Go check it out. It's one of my best videos, like view-wise. Has like almost 200 views on it. I have a couple that are at like around 200, but that's probably one of the best ones. Anyways, it's pretty similar. So the main ingredient is the same ingredient that I use for the nachos. It's the chips. So when it comes to nachos, anything like that, usually the thing that makes it higher calorie is tortilla chips because it's tortillas and they're fried, which makes it pretty high calorie just for the chips alone. So what I do for stuff like this to make it really low calories, I use these popcorn chips. So they're like popcorn chips kind of. And 1 serving, so 20 chips is 120 calories. 20 tortilla chips is probably like 200, 300 calories, maybe even more than that, depending on the chip and the size of it. So it's going to be 2 servings of these for each one. So me and my girlfriend are both having a plate of it. Each plate is going to be 2 servings. So it's going to be around like 40 chips, which is a good amount. It's only going to be like 220 calories. So that's the most important thing for this healthy thing. If you're going to try to make nachos or chilaquiles, is the chips. Those are the chips I use, and they end up not like you would think. Maybe they get like soggy and they break. They actually hold up pretty well when you cook them. The other most important part about chilaquiles is the salsa, because you cook the chips in the salsa and you want a high quality salsa. So for me, luckily, my girlfriend comes from a Mexican family, so I got homemade salsa from her mom. So if you don't have that, maybe, I don't know, look online how to make it. Maybe look at stores, a different store, look online where it has the best salsa for chilaquiles. So that's the one thing that may be hard to get for this recipe is my girlfriend's mom made homemade salsa. It's really, really good. Other thing is the meat. So you don't have to have meat if you don't want. You don't have to have meat if you don't want, actually. Me and my girlfriend want to add a little bit of meat to it, but like I said, I'm pescatarian, my girlfriend's vegetarian. So for the meat, we're using soy chorizo. Still really, really good. If you ever had soy chorizo, it's amazing. It tastes amazing, dude. A lot of you guys have probably honestly had soy chorizo before and not know. It's really, really good. Another thing is, let me get it from the fridge real quick, is egg whites. Chilaquiles always uses eggs too. To make it healthier, use egg whites. Pretty simple. And then throw some cheese in there too. Throw some cheese on top. So just some low-fat Mexican-style cheese. And then that's just, the cheese is just topping. And then also for toppings, these are preference, guacamole, and sour cream. Those are the only ingredients needed. Pretty simple, like I said. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, so my girlfriend is awake. Obviously, she's recording me now. So I made a mistake. I'm not using the Mexican cheese anymore. We're gonna use this time. Because last time we used Mexican cheese and we didn't, it was just like all right. And we had to go to the store because I had to get extra egg whites anyway. So this is gonna be on top instead of the Mexican cheese. But right now, we got the chorizo cooking. We got my serving, my girlfriend's serving. So it's just 2 servings of the soy chorizo. I think it's like, I don't even remember. I think it's like 100 calories per serving, or like, I think it's 80 calories per serving, something like that. So it's like around 200 calories just for this. But this is gonna cook in here. We're gonna throw the eggs in here, egg whites in here eventually and cook it up. Show you guys the next step. All right, guys, we got the egg whites right here. We're just gonna dump them both into the pan so that the egg whites mix with the chorizo. Show you guys what it looks like afterwards. All right, guys, so we got the salsa now. So what chilaquiles is that the chips and everything kind of like, what's the word I'm looking for? Kind of like marinate in the salsa, kind of. That's kind of the point of it. So we're gonna pour the salsa into here and then add the chips after. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to add, so this is 2 serving chips, like I said. We're going to add 1 serving of chips in each, and then let it cook a little bit, and then add the second layer of chips afterwards. So let's hop into it. All right, guys, so here's the final product. So I think I put too much salsa in the pan one time. It's not supposed to look as runny as this. It still looks good, though. But just next time, I'm not going to put as much salsa in the pan. I put too much of the salsa in there. But that's what it looks like. We're about to add the toppings right now.
You're covering the whole shot.
All right, so here's the final product with all the toppings on it. The macros will be on the screen. So the macros will be on the screen. It's not going to be exact, just depending on what brand chorizo you use, what brand, salsa, all that stuff. It's going to be a pretty rough estimate. So it's not going to be the same as normal chilaquiles, because the thing that's good about the chilaquiles is having real tortilla chips, letting it soak in the sauce. And these chips are a little less sturdy than those. But it's a really good healthy alternative because tortilla chips are really high calorie. But this is a way to bring the calories down. The chorizo is really healthy though. It's going to be really high protein. So it's a healthier version. It's still going to taste really, really good. Even my girlfriend is used to eating traditional Mexican food, still likes it. And if we're being less calories, it still tastes really, really good. So like I said, macros will be on the screen. That's what it looks like. Me and my girlfriend are about to dig in right now. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys. I actually forgot to record an outro. So what I'm having, I just got off work right now, actually. It's like 10:30. Just got off work. I'm having my pre-bed snack. So what I'm having is just one blueberry bagel and one Premier Protein. This is the chocolate peanut butter one. This one's absolute gas, but it literally tastes like a chocolate peanut butter cup. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys tried out the meal. It is really, really good. Even though it might not look as good as it tasted, because just like it looked like a pile of food. But it's really, really good, man. Trust me. Really low calorie, really high protein. If you don't like chilaquiles, try out the nacho recipe that I did in my very first YouTube ever. Just go all the way down my page and go see it. Pretty similar ingredients to chilaquiles if you don't like it. But trust me, try both of them. They are really, really good. But yeah, just a really quick video, low calorie meal for you guys to try. We don't have to feel guilty to eat food that tastes good. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me, man. It really does help me. Just do it. Doesn't take that long to do it. It helps the algorithm, help me reach new people, get bigger. You know, I'm trying to do this shit for a living, man. But yeah, Follow me on Instagram for workouts. I post workouts all the time, 5 days a week on there, and I post other shit as well. I'm gonna try to stay consistent. Try to post 1 to 2 videos a week, maybe more. I'm really trying to blow up next year, so I'm gonna try to stay consistent, post as much as I can, even though I'm working 2 jobs, bro. Trying to grind. Yeah, DM me on Instagram if you're interested in training at all. Any of that stuff, all my bad shit's will be in the description. Follow your dreams, man.
No, they hate me, cause I'm a legend in the making. If that bitch with me, you know she caking. Curve that hoe, she Sally, so mistaken. My girl, she too bad, shorty, you just looking basic. Codeine, I'ma pour it up, 2 4